Timer starts now. Game. What's the first word? Yun guys ha, sabi ko sa inyo. Thank you sa lahat naman nag-share. I appreciate you guys. Berlang Pace, P-A-C-E, P-A-C-E, there you go. Cherilyn, Jail, J-A-I-L, J-A-I-L. Okay, meron? Dali. Cat's Eye, one word ba yung Cat's Eye? Marvin, one word ba yan? I'm not sure pero nasa board naman siya, no? Cat's Eye. I'm not sure kung one word yan. And Pace, P-A-Y-S, P-A-Y-S, meron. Tapos, Expectomaico, Pasta, P-A-S-T-A, meron pasta. Bamski, Pint, P-I-N-T, meron. Berlang, Nim, what do you mean by Nim? N-E-E-M, meron. Okay. What else? Anli Shop, Sale, S-A-I-L, there you go. Rika Leia, Jail, yes meron. J-A-I-L, over there. Anli Shop, Pay, P-A-Y-E, P-A-Y-E-E, meron. Anli Shop. Anti, o Anti, A-N-T-I, meron. Berlang, it's a re. Oh, di ko gets Berlang. Can you comment that again? Bamski may pay. Anli Shop, pay, pale. P-I-A-L, meron. Cherilyn, Lice. Yan, sino may lisa dyan, guys? Lice. Cherilyn, Mice. M-I-C-E. Lovely. Clip. C-L-I-P. C-L-I-P. Okay? Berlang, 3 pala yun. T-R-E-E. Okay? Paano siya? Kasi yung R natin. Meron ba tayong R? Guys, may R ba tayo? Balikan ko yan ha. G-CAST, C-A-S-T. Very good. Bullet. Pale, nail, tsaka jail. Bullet yung pale tsaka jail meron. Let's do nail. Kuko. N-A-I-L. N-A-I-L. Meron. And paint. P-A-I-P-A. Pwede ba yung paint? P-A-I. Hindi ako so sure sa paint. Balikan natin yung paint. Okay? Pamski, Cast. Meron ka. C-A-S-T over there. Tapos, Kyle Mercado, Pace, meron din, P-A-C-E. Ansayan, C-Y-C-Y-A-N, meron. Anli Shop, Pace, pwedeng lagyan ng S pala yun. Yan, pwede. P-A-Y-E-S, meron. Berlang, no, ang name is a tree. Okay. Ang name pala, ibig sabihin, name is a tree. Thank you for that new word we learned tonight. Okay? Kay Mito, Cayenne yung pampalasa. Oh, yung ano, di ba niya sili ba yan? Cayenne? Pero Cayenne lang siya, no? Cayenne lang ang pwede. Cayenne lang. Walang S, okay? Pepper yata yan, di ba yung Cayenne? Tama ba ako? Rigalaya, Cage, C-A-G-E. C-A... Pwede ba yung cage? Parang hindi pwede yung cage. Let's go back to that kung pwede, ha? What else? Beauty House, merong Payis. Dito siya, P-A-Y-E-E-S. Payis. What are the other words? Comment nyo lang again, guys, kung meron akong na skip. Criselda, what's that? Pint. P-I-N-T, meron. Bullet, may sale. Jet, merong pasta. Criselda, hip. Dapat Criselda, 4-letter words and up. Sorry, hindi ko na-remind kanina. Scooby, Cayenne is, di ba, C-A-Y-E-N? I don't know kung may ganyang word, pero alam ko siya C-A-Y-E-N-N-E. Cayenne. Paul J. and Case, E-N-C-A-S-E. So guys, kung nagkakamali ako, just correct me, guys. I'm more than willing to be corrected. Okay? P. Berlang meron. Eman, Cayenne. Di ba yung Cayenne double N yun? Eman. Check, pwede ba yung isang N lang dyan? Paki-check nga. Pwede may S yung Cayenne. Paano? E-N-N-E-S. Ay, pwede pala. Tama naman spelling, no? Rog, tama. Jet, meron pasta. Jason, may pasta. Cayenne, spelling nun. Okay, C-A-Y-E-N-N-E. Okay, very good. Rika, may case. Paul G, may N case. E-N-C-A-S-E. Meron din case, Rika. Bullet, Stan. S-T-A-N. Meron. Reseda, may cast. Scooby, Stooge. Stooge pala. Stooge, meron. Sand. Kim Jin, Sand. S-A-N-D. Meron. What else? May Kael, may Eyes, EYES. Meron? Okay, time's up tayo pero habol natin. Bullet will Griselda, yes. Hindi pwedeng yes kasi 3-letter word. Dapat 4-letter words and up. Ma'am Zane, Acne, EACNE meron. Hindi pwede Kayens kasi tatalo ng S. Pwede siya Eman, dito siya. CAYENNES. Pwede siya doon. Medyo nakakalito siya Eman. Okay, JF anemic. Pwede ba? Anemic. Pwedeng anemic, Jan. BG World Pace meron. Okay, I think nasabi ko na lahat. Tilted na lang. TI. Tilted. Hindi ata pwedeng tilted kasi tatalon yung I sa L of doon, no? Hindi siya pwede. Kaya may S kaso noun yung Cayenne. Hindi siya pwede lagyan ng S yung Cayenne. Pace, an. P-A-S-T-E. Hindi pwede ba lagyan ng S yung Cayenne? C-A-Y-E-N-N-E? Let me know. Yes, may pace, an. Griselda, I'm sorry, hindi ako nakapag-remind, pero dapat 4-letter words and up dapat. Okay? Okay? So, time's up. What's our longest word? Hindi na nakahabol iba. Wala pong S ang Cayenne. Pero guys, since kahit wala siyang S, Cayenne pa rin ating longest word. Okay. JC's. Habol natin JC's. Pero ano ibig sabihin ng JC's? J-A-Y-C. Hindi siya pwede lagyan ng S. Tatalon yung E sa S. JC lang. Wait lang ha. Okay guys, shuffle ko lang yung board. Hold on ha. Habang sinashuffle ko yung board, I want you to comment your location. Okay? So that we can keep the comment section alive. Okay? Where are you now while watching the game? Are you from there's Davao? What else? Korea. Totoo yan, Korea. Expect to mile ko. Batangas. Yan, maganda yung Batangas. Iloilo, Cebu, Nueva Vizcaya. Wow. Baguio, Cagayan Valley. Tondo. Sa Daegu po. Makati. Bataan, Sultan Kudarat, Seoul, Bulacan. Okay. Saan ka sa Bulacan, Nailidor? Davao Oriental. Marami akong kilala dyan. Alright, San Jose del Monte. Okay, SJDM. Hello sa lahat. Guys, hello sa lahat sa inyo. So, meron tayo sa Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao na naman. So, all over the country tayo. Tapos, akala ko totoong Seoul. Barangay Seoul lang pala. Sultan Kudarat. Okay. Meron ba taga-abroad? Do we have from abroad here? Parang wala, okay? So guys, I'm ready with the board na. Na-shuffle ko na siya. What I want you to do right now is to share the live again. To share the live. Hindi pa nakakapag-share. I need at least 5 shares more for the next round, okay? Before we begin the next round, I need 5 shares. Okay? Sino pwede mag-share? I will count. 5 shares, guys. Sino pa hindi nakapag-share? Yan, Lovely, thank you sa pag-repost. Berlang, thank you sa pag-share. Eman, thank you sa pag-share. Scooby, thank you sa pag-share. Rick, thank you sa pag-share. Yan. One more and we're good to go. Ayan, so we thank you sa mga nag-share guys. Just keep on sharing kung gusto niyo pang i-share. That's very good. Pero ito guys, ready na ako sa next round. I have already achieved the 5 shares that I need for the next round, okay? So let's go. Are you ready? Comment G if you're ready guys. Everybody comment G if you're ready. Comment letter G if you're ready to go for the next game. Okay, G. Thank you. Here it is. Timer starts now. What's the first word? Give me the first word right now. Okay? Sino may pinakamabilis na mata na makapagbigay ng unang word natin sa board? Okay, ripe. R-I-P-E. Sino nakapagbigay ng ripe? Hindi ko masyadong nakita yung ano niya. Pangalan. Si Damski pala. Epic, Anli Shop. Epic, E-P-I-C. Very good. Antor, T-O-R-E. Alright, meron siya. Bejeweled, Peace, P-I-E-C-O, hindi siya pwede. Kasi P-I-E-C, tatalon dun sa E dun. Hindi siya pwede. Hindi kasi pwedeng tatalon. Kailangan magkadikit lagi. Bejeweled. Correct me if I'm wrong. Marvin Siren, S-I-R-E-N, S-I-R-E-N. Very good. Anli Shop, Rice, R-I-C-E. How do we do that? R-I-C-E, yes, meron. What else? Just keep, pwede yung comment pa ulit-ulit yung words guys hanggang mabasa ko siya, okay? Guys, pupunta ako sa pinakababa ng comment section. So meron na ako na-skip sa taas. Okay? Rafting, Igolots, Rafting, R-A-F-T-I-N-G meron. Eman Fairer, F-A-I-R-E-R, pwede, Fairer. Jet Toner, T-O-N-E-R, yan meron. Criselda Fire, F-I-R-E. Okay? Just keep on repeating. Comment nyo lang pa ulit-ulit guys hanggang mabasa ko. Maib Grape, G-R-A-P-E. Parang mas effective po siya pag ganun. Scooby Eating, E-A-T-E-A-T-I-N-G. Meron. Gyrators ba yun, Mr. Maverick? Gyrators, G-Y-R-A-T-O-R-R. Meron namang gyrator. Gyrators, pwede siya may S. Notary Rick, tsaka Notify. Rick, ito, gawin natin notary mo ha. N-O-T-A-R-Y, very good. Tapos notify, N-O-T-I-F-Y. Pareho yun, Rick, meron. Chari Party, ang ganda ng board natin, P-A-R, hindi yata pwedeng party kasi P-A-R, tatalo ng R sa T. Hindi siya pwede. Okay? Let me know kung magkamali ako ha. O-C Jaula, Singer, S-I-N-G-E-R, meron. MC Ratio, R-A-T-I-O, R-A-T-I-O, very good. Nailidor, Rift, R-I-F-T, meron. NM may rafting. Nailidor, Graph, G-R-A-F-T, meron. M-A-H, Ration, R-A-T-I-O-N, meron. Meron, Berlang, Wary, W-A-R-Y, Sly Force, F-O-R-C-E, meron. Damski, ano yun? Gyration, tsaka Rations. Yung Ration, meron. Gyrations, meron, alam ko meron din. Gyration. Gyration lang ang pwede. Okay? Ratify, Andy Shop. Let's do it. Ratify. R-A-T-I-F-Y, meron. What else? Berlang Atone. Excuse me. A-T-O-N-E. Merong Atone. Irma may Singer. May Force Sly. Criselda Whip. W-E-E-P. Did I miss a word guys? Comment nyo lang ulit ha. Tiny. T-I-N-N-Y. T-I-N-N-Y. Okay? Meron bang ganong word? Kala ko tiny lang. Okay? Hindi naman sabihin. Hindi ko alam guys. Finger, merong finger, Cherry. Let's do it. F-I-N-G-E-R, meron naman. Peanut, Renotify. R-E-N-O-T-I-F-Y, merong Renotify, Peanut. Igolotes, Rotary. R-O-T-A-R-Y, meron. Eman, Gratify. G-R-A-T-I-F-Y, meron. Carly May Fair. Berlang Tier, T-I-E-R, meron, Berlang. Kim Jin, Ringer, R-I-N-G-E-R, meron. Sonic, one word ba yung ringtone, Sonic? R-I-N-G-T-O-N-E. One word ba yung ringtone? One word, no? Okay, King, Rice, R-I-C-E. Meron naman. Igolotes may Rotary. Carly may Pair. Ito yung Pair, P-A-I-R. Andy Shop, Grafting, G-R-A-F-T-I-N-G, meron. Did I miss a word? W-R-A-P, meron. Rap, merong rap. Sino nagbigay ng rap? Hindi ko na masyado nabasa. Gray, G-R-A-Y, merong gray. Scooby, Pioneering. Pioneering? Can we do it? Hindi siya pwede. Yung Pioneering kasi, N-E, isa lang yung E na nandito. Kailangan dalawa din yung E na double E kasi yung Pioneering, Scooby. Jesus the Way, merong singer. Ella Faith Fry, may Tor. MC Torn, T-O-R-N, meron din. Okay, habol natin mga may Graph, Jenny. Nailidor, Toner, meron naman Toner. Cupal may gray, Gray. Dale Singer meron. Berlang may ringer. Elefate Riot, check natin. RIOT. Okay, time's up. What's our longest word for this round? Ala, meron pang mabol. Kaya lang guys, na time's up na tayo. Pero habol natin orifice. Orifice. O-R-I O-R-I Hindi siya pwede. Kasi dalawang beses magagamitin yung I na to. Tama ba ako? Ay, hindi. Ito pala orifice. Dito pala. Pwede pala siya. Ang dami pa guys. Okay lang guys. Habol natin to. Whip meron MCP. Forcep. FORCEP may forcep. Yan. Cherilyn may epic tsaka rice. Epic tsaka rice. But late dumating mga comments na to. Ripe, merong ripe. Actually, that's our first word kanina. OC Jawla, rafting. Merong rafting, OC Jawla. Eman, may gratify tsaka orifice. Gyrator sa gyration, Mr. Maverick, parang method. Okay? What's our longest word? Gyrator sa gyration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, ang longest word natin is ringtone, gyrator sa gyration. Okay? Confirm naman sa dictionary gyrator sa gyration. No? I'm not familiar with those words, pero parang narinig ko na sila. Okay, that's it for our round 2. Okay, confirm the guys, yung mga gyration sa gyrator. That's for our round 2. Okay guys, shuffle ko lang guys ha, shuffle ko lang. Wait lang. Martin, wag ka maglalasing, baka sensan naman makuha mo yung mga words ha. Biro lang, okay? While I'm getting ready for the next round, may I know? Pwede ba? Pwede ko ba malaman? Kung merong taga-ibang bansa ngayon na kasama na sa live, do we have someone watching from abroad? Can you comment, guys? ME, kung meron. Is there anybody from abroad right now watching together with us? Playing with us? Soul nga. Sultan Kudarat. Kala mo, memorize ko na yun, mabili ka. Parang wala, no? Parang wala. So maybe, wala yung mga dati natin mga classmates from abroad. Oh, si Israel Ariel Magat. Happy birthday. Let's greet guys. Let's give some love for Israel Ariel Magat. Paano naman dyan guys? Pa-double tap naman ng hearts para kay Israel. Happy birthday. Tsaka sa iba pang nagbe-birthday today. San Francisco Beach. Okay, happy birthday guys. Pati sa mga iba pang nagbe-birthday. Hindi ako singer, hindi ako makakanta. Uy, greet nyo naman na happy birthday si Israel. Pwede nga greet natin siya na happy birthday. I hope Israel, we made your day extra special, okay? Happy birthday, okay? So I'm ready with the board. But, okay, yan. Ang dami nag-greet na happy birthday sa Israel. Let's, bigyan mo natin sila ng time mag-greet. Thank you for everyone, guys, ha? Yeah. I can feel the community we have right now. Everyone's greeting Israel a happy birthday. Ayan. Pag merong may birthday sa inyo, guys, just let me know, okay? Sana mabasa ko kasi minsan di ko mababasa. Okay? Guys, kung ba, last pala guys, bago tayo mag-proceed sa next round, kung may nagme-message sa inyo, guys, hindi ako makaka-reply agad. Kasi ang dami na ng messages. Hindi ko na sila mabuksan lahat. Pero I'll try my best to open them, okay? Yung iba na-replyan ko na. Pero sobrang dami na guys, hindi ko siya nabubuksan pa. Kasi yung iba nagtatanong sa mga videos gano'n. Tapos dati yung mga nauna, hindi ko agad nakita na may messages para sa TikTok. Nung una ako nagla-live, so medyo ang dami na nila. Okay, hindi naman 1,000, pero more than hundreds. Okay, I'm ready guys with the board. But before we go to the next round, I want 3 shares guys. I only need 3 shares. Hindi naman, siguro mga 300 siguro. Ayan, pag minsan, daming ginagawa, di ko ma-reply eh. Pero, okay, I need 3 shares guys so that we can go ahead to the next round. Okay, Martin. Okay, go ahead. Martin, okay lang. Okay lang, Martin. One more share and we're good to go. One more share. Who can do it? One more share and we're good to go. Okay, ayun na. There it is. Meron na nag-share ng last. Okay, guys. Kung di pala kayo naka-follow kayo, I'm ready, guys. Let's do it. Timer starts now. What's the first word? Sino pa yung pinakamabilis na mata? Oh, Patkat, kumusta ka na pala, Patkat? Are you here? Tine, Tine. Ang bilis, ha? Wait lang, ha? Pass, Pass. Pass, meron. Mass, Mass, meron. Fate, Fate. Paano yung fate? Fate. There you go. Toast. 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 Meron. Quiet. Quiet. Very good. Haven. Haven. Meron. BG World. Veins. Veins. Meron. Sitsuke. Quiet. Quite. Meron. MC Pass. Meron. Pass. Berlang Caps. Caps. Meron. What else? Jesus the way that pasta, Pasta. Pasta, parang hindi pwedeng pasta kasi yung T tatalon sa A. Let me know if there's another way that we can do that, okay? NM Pax, Pacts, hindi na siya pwede yata kasi PA, but tatalon tayo sa CTS. Hindi kasi pwedeng patalon-talon, kailangan connected lagi yung mga letters na magkasunod. Okay, yung magkadikit dapat laging connected. Berlang Maps, let's go to that. MAPS meron. Scam. SCAM meron. MC Lint. LINT. LINT, hindi siya pwede kasi yung N tatalon sa T. Tama ba ako? Correct me if I'm wrong. Pax nasa dulo po na P. Yes, pwede siya. Ito, PA. PACTS. Very good. Thank you. Thank you. BGWell Cams. Can we do Cams? Thank you sa mga tumutulong. CC Fate, meron FAT over there. Sonic Fist, FEA. Pwede ba yung Fist? Can we do that? FEA? Parang hindi siya pwede, no? Let me know, ha? CC Fails, FAILS, pwede naman. Leader Divas, DIVAS, meron. BG World Slid, SLID. SLID, pwede siya. Live, LIVE, pwede. Light, LITE, pwede. Jet, paano yung FEAST? FEAST, pwede ba siya? Let me know, ha, kung pwede yung FEAST. Ito, FEAST. Pwede pala yung FEAST. Thank you. Sitsuke Veils, VEILS, meron. Save, SAVE, meron. Ovens, OVENS, very good. Queens, QUINS, meron. Leader VAS, VAST, meron. Sitsuke Toast, TOAST, very good. Merong Vine tsaka VAS, okay? Telay Dive, DIVE, meron naman. May Toast Damski. Merong Quiet, merong Live Line, meron LINE. Tapos merong Pass, PASS, okay? May Fist, MC, FEAST. Fails, FAILS, meron. Mass, MASS, meron. Pave, PAVE, very good. Lovely. Veins, VINS, meron. Evaps. Yung Evaps, guys, parang ano yun, no? Abbreviation, Haven, HAVEN, meron. Okay, Have, HAVE. Lovely, may Quite. MC Quit, meron din, QUIT. OC Jaula, Rainboy. Ano sabihin ng Rainboy? Can you give the meaning of that word? Kung pwede. Balikan natin mamaya. Pag may existing na word, huwag na lagyan ng S. Actually, pwede namang oo, pwede hindi. DINE. Sa actual game kasi, the plural is different points from the singular. Envoy, OC Jaula. Envoy, ENVOY. Meron. Okay, bigay na agad yung may S, no, lady, siguro. Bigay na agad. Sisuke Havens, HAVENS. But that's a good suggestion. SAVE, meron. Save, Lovely Camps, CAMPS meron. Berlang Toes, TOES, EAS. Ano sabihin ng TOEAS? Kim Jim may Divas, CC may Dive, Stephen Haspy. Ano sabihin ng Haspy? HASPY. Excuse me. Fate, FATE meron. Times up tayo guys, pero habol natin. Scamps, NM, anong sabihin ng Scamps? SCAMPS. Meron naman siya sa board. Pearly may Fist. Ito siya. FEAST. Sige guys, keep your words coming. Ihabol natin. MC may Divas. Pearly may Fist. Marvin may Fails. CC is live. Ano sabihin is live? SLIVE? Ano nga ibig sabihin nun? Okay, did I miss a word? Okay guys, minsan di maiwasan, may skip talagang word. That's why I suggest na i-comment nyo pa ulit-ulit yung word hanggang di ko pa na siya shoutout. PAST meron, pass, pwede. Havens meron. So what is our longest word for this round guys? Let me know. Do you remember this? Ito yung binis comes from NM. Mischievous o makulit o magulong na usually bata. Okay, wow. We learned a new word for tonight, scamps. Mischievous o makulit na magulong na usually bata. Okay? Yeah. What's our longest word? Ano guys, yung longest word natin? Is it toast? Tsaka 5-letter lang. We don't have 6-letter. Ito guys, 6-letter natin is scamps. Tama. Roach, no? Tama. AC, merong AC. AC, pwedeng AC, no? 6-letter din. Hindi, ano pala, 5-letter lang pala. Yes, may word na AC, you know? Havens is also a 6-letter word. Okay, ang longest word natin ay havens. Ano pa si iba? Scamps at saka packs. Okay. Okay, that's it for our round. For this round, okay? Kasabi. Okay guys, kunin ko lang, shuffle ko lang ha. Okay, while waiting for the next round, ano ba? To know, para lang guys, mas lalo tayo magkaroon ng idea about sa ating mga players. Who among you guys, ang naglalaro na nito noon? Who among you guys? Comment me if you are playing this game from before. Mag-GC na po, Master. Pwede, no? Pwede tayo mag-Viber. Ay, bawal sabihin yung mga ganyan dito, guys. May end yung live. I don't know how to introduce that kasi baka bigla tayo ma-terminate yung live natin. pero maganda nga meron, guys, no? Childhood game with my siblings. Yeah, ako din. Mga pinsan sa kapatid. Tsaka parents ko. Pag may ka-same words, walang points. Oo. Parang cancel din. Ganun ba? Oo, no? Okay. I'm happy to know na marami sa inyo ang naglalaro nito, guys. Ang dami natin. So this game doesn't get old. It's always exciting and fun to play. Okay. Pag may kagaya, cancel. Tama. Guys, I'm ready with the board. I know you're ready, but before that, wait lang. Since dumami tayo sa live, guys, I want 10 of you to share the live. Medyo dumami tayo ngayon, so I want 10 of you to share the live. Scrabble, yes, and chess. Oh yeah, kami din. Kasama, Scrabble tsaka chess din. I want 10 of you to share the live, guys, since dumami tayo dito. Okay, we have, meron tayong 1. I need 9 more. 9 lang guys, diba? Konti lang naman 10. We can do that. Kayang-kaya natin yan. Okay, 9 more share and we're good to go. Isa intrams, yes. Nilalaro. Can I have 9 more shares, guys? Wala nga friends mate ko dito. Invite mo sila dito, Martin. Laro ng lahi lang ako. Ano yun? Thank you sa mga nagdo-double tap, guys. I appreciate you. Okay, ano na lang guys, 8 shares na lang, we're good to go. 7 na lang. 7 shares na lang and we can start the next round. 7 na lang na shares. Okay, sino pa guys ang pwede mag-share? Last Wednesday, laro kami sa Davao. Wow, with cousins. Oh, that's good, Mr. Maverick. Ang ganda, ang galing. Thank you sa mga nag-share. Oh, yan. 6 na lang, guys. 6 na lang. We can do this. Kaya natin yan. Tatlo na lang, guys. Tatlo ng share na lang and we're good to go. 3 more shares and we're good to go. Dalawa na lang. Sitsuki, thank you. Hindi ko nabasa yung iba. May GC para mag-contest doon. Oh, pwede. Isa na lang. Isang share na lang, guys. We're good to go. Mga first batch. May places na pwede maglaro. Galing naman. Ang galing-galing. Okay, guys. Naka 10 shares na tayo, guys. Thank you very much. Kaya ito na. Hindi ko na patatagalin. Let's go to the next round. Okay, started 972 with Ford Factory 978. Ganun ba, Jet? That's a nice information, Okay, guys. Yes, for Viper lang yung bagal. Let's do it. Timer starts now. Ayan, what's the first word? Rates. Damski ba yung nagbigay? Rates, R-A-T-S, T-E-S. Meron, okay? What else? Andali, ba't na nangyari sa comment? Okay. Pearl Rose, R-O-S-E, meron. Leader, Istet. Ano yung sabihin ng Istet? I'm not familiar with that word, pero gawin na sa board. Nasa board siya. Eagle T-S-T-R-E-E-T, pwede, street. Okay, Art of Joy Choirs, Q-U-I-R-E-S. I don't know the meaning of that word, pero nasa board naman siya. Coffee, reset, R-E-S-E-T, merong reset. Okay, water, water, W-A-T-E-R, very good. Rick, resort, R-E-S-O-R-T. Sino dito yung may-ari ng mga resort? Baka meron sa inyo, guys. Resort daw eh. Okay, guys, I have no choice but to go sa baba ng comment. You have to comment your words again, guys. Kasi napunta na sa taas, di ko na mabalikan. Kasi maghahang yung comments, okay? Dito ako sa baba, water meron. Water, W-A-T-E-R-E-D. W-A-T-E, pwede ba yung watered? Hindi ako sure, balikan ko yan, guys, Teaser, T-E-A-S-E-R, pwede siya. Lovely errors. Guys, hanggang di ko mabasa, comment nyo lang ulit. E-R-R-O-R-S. Very good, may errors. D-rest, Sitsuge. D-rest. Ang ganda ng word na yan, D-E-A-R-E-S-T. Peron. Rested, Kael. Rested, R-E-S-T-E-D. Pwede. N-M, Eastern. E-E-S-T-E-R-N. Pwedeng Eastern. What else? May Eastern, quieter. Martin, Q-U-I. Q-U-I. Pwede ba yung quieter? Hindi yata siya pwede, Martin. Tatalon siya. Parang tatalon Marvin. Marvin pala. Chris, Taste, T-A-S-T-E. T-A-S-T-E, meron. Resort Bear lang meron. Pochi, Seated, S-E-A-T-E-D, meron. Jet, quiet, steer siya, street. Yung street meron, jet. Yung steer muna, S-T-E-R meron, tapos quiet, Q-U-I-E-T. Very good. Restricted, Martin, na sabihin ng restricted. Meron ganyan bang word? E-E-T. Meron naman sa board, kaya lang ang ibig sabihin nun. MC rates, R-A-T-E-S meron. Guys, ano pa? D-rest meron, teaser meron, store Stephen, S-T, ano ba? S-T-O. Paano yung stores? Pwede ba yung stores? Guys, hindi pwedeng patalon-talon, Kailangan, kailangan magkadikit yung magkasunod. Treated. T-R-E-A-T-E-D. Comment yung ulit yung words kapag di ko pa nababasa. Ancora, Q-U-O-R-A meron. Tapos, Juloy, Treason. T-R-E-A-S-O-N. Meron Treason. Chris 09, Soar. S-O-R-E meron. Yes, Cherilyn may resort. Kualawete, Choir. Ano yung sabihin ng choir pero nasa board naman siya? Quinzel, Tester, T-E-S-T-E-R. Guys, comment nyo ulit pag di ko pa nabasa kasi magta-times up na tayo niyan. Berlang, Waries, W-A-R-I-E-S-T meron. Quinzel, Riot, R-I-O-T, very good. Seated, Lovely, S-E-A-T-E-D. Yes, may resort. Ano pa, guys? Stair, Bejeweled, Stair, S-T-A-R-E, may stair. Okay, Cherilyn, Treats, T-R-E-A-T-S, meron. Tapos, Bejeweled, Stared, S-T-A, Excuse me. STARED meron? Sorry. Damski, Quitter, Quitters, tsaka Terrors. Double T yung Quitter, di ba? Terrors na lang. TE, TER, hindi rin pwede ata. Hindi sila magkadikit yung Terrors mo. Dito, TERRORS. Pwede ba yung Terrors? Yung Quieter mo tsaka Quietest, let's do it. Quieter. Hindi sila pwede, tatalon sila, no? Tatalon sila. Tama ba? Overtake Rebel, D-test. Check natin, D-test. D-E-T-E-S-T meron. Tapos, Quietest. Retaste. R-E-T-A-S-T-E meron. Tapos, Quietest. Q-U-I-E-T-E-S-T meron Quietest. Tapos, Courates. Q-U-O-R-A-T-E-S meron din. Wait lang guys, ba't na gano'n yung ano natin? Medyo hindi maganda yung pagbasa, yung comments natin ngayon guys. Medyo naglag siya. Kaya ang dami kong di nabasa. Sorry ha. Medyo naglag siya ngayon. Pero okay na siya ngayon. Kaya rested meron. Can I just go back to the other words? Quiets. Q-U-I-E-T-S. Guys, meron ba akong di na nabasa? Can you comment, Sitsuke Warius? Pwede ba yung word na warius? I'm not sure with that word pero nasa board naman siya Sitsuke. Warius. Kasi where? Di ba parang warius? I'm not sure. OC Jaula, eraser. E-R-A-S-E-R. Merong eraser. Store, hindi ko pa nabuo store kanina. Gawin natin ulit. Store, we have an S here. Kaya parang tatalon yung store dito, no, sa O. Tama ba ako? Okay, what else? Dates, D-A-T-E-S. Wasted, W-A-S-T-E-D meron. Stair, M-C. Habol natin guys ha. Medyo naghang yung comment natin kanina. Stair meron. Watered. Yung watered, di ko pa nagawa. Watered. W-A. Tapos T-E-R-E. Hindi pwedeng watered, no? Parang hindi pwedeng watered. Parang hindi siya pwede. Tama ba? Treated. T-R-E-A-T-E-D meron. Street, sexy chic, may street. Days, merong Quinzel, may dates. Okay? Watered, pakaliwa. Let's do that. Pakaliwa. W. Dito yung W. W-A-T-E. Tapos E. R-E. Paano? R-E. W-A. Di ba W-A? Tapos T. E. R-E-D. Ay, pwede. W-A-T-E-R-E-D. Yes, pwede siya. Watered. Thank you sa nagturo. Starrier. Hindi ko sure sa Starrier kasi parang double R ata yan. Pero gawin natin ha. Starrier. Pwede naman siya sa board. Warius, pinakapagod. Okay. And then, tama. Wary, no? Wary, parang wary souls. W-A-E-A-R-I-E-S-T. Thank you. Oo nga. Minsan nalilito lang ako. Yes, merong warius. Pinakapagod daw. So, ano yung longest word natin, guys? Ratters. Habon natin ratters. Pwede ba yung ratters? Wala tayong T na magkadikit, kaya hindi siya pwede. Ito pala. R-O-T-T-E-R-S. Judgmental agad. Cherilyn Redes. R-E-A-D-E-S-T. Meron naman. Pero what's the meaning of that word? Okay, ano yung longest word natin, guys? Ano yung longest word natin for this round? Reseated. Martin, reseated. Habol natin yan. Reseated. R-E-S. Hindi man siya pwede. Pwede. R-E-S-E-A-T-E-D. Pwede. Tapos reseater. Dito naman siya. Retest. Restreet. Reseated. Anong longest word natin, guys? Meron yung reseated, Martin, tsaka yung yung retester? Parang retest na nga tayo, Martin eh. Re-wasted? Pwede ba yung gano'n? Pwede no? Wasted. Okay. Martin, yung reserate, ano yung sabihin nun? Resedate. Resedate baka pwede. R-E-S-E-D-A-T-E. Merong resedate, Martin. Okay, what's our longest word, guys? Ano yung longest word? Re-wasted? Nasa board naman yung re-wasted. Ano yung longest word natin? Dearest pwede. Tratters, T-R-O-T-T-E-R-S. May tratters din, lemur. Ano yung longest word natin, guys? Do you remember? Aeonites, sabi ni Mr. Martin. Maverick pala. Mineral, yung Aeonites. Kaya lang we should find it in the Merriam-Webster, ha? Erionites. Ay, hindi siya pwede. Hindi siya mabubuo. Tatalo yung N sa I. Ano yung longest word natin, guys? S-treated. CC. Ano yung sabihin S-treated? CC. S-treated. Ano yung sabihin yan? Stereo. S-T-E-R-E-O. Pwede. Ito. S-T-E-R-E-O. Pwede siya lagyan stereos. Hala, pinakyaw na. Pinakyaw mo nga, Martin. Reseated ang ating longest word. Ito, CC. S-treated daw means to exact or take by means of a levy or fine. E-S-T-R-E-A-T-E-D. S-T-R-E-A-T-E-D. That's a 9-letter word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Various is an 8-letter word. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pati yung quietest. So, ang ating longest word is, S-treated. If, nasa dictionary naman yan, CC, no? Yung S-treated, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a 9-letter word. Just and kasi yung mga various are, 8-letter lang sila. Kaya quietest. 1, 2, 3, 4. So guys, okay, S-treated ang longest. Alright. Interested, pwede ba yung interested? Interested. Ganun siya pa sabihin, di ba? Interested. Tama ba? Hindi pwedeng patalan-talan guys. So guys, we're moving to our second to the last game for this live. So get ready kayo guys ha. Wait lang. Wait lang guys. Okay. Shuffle ko lang guys ha. Hold on. Hintay-hintay lang. What can... Anong pwede natin itanong guys? Last 2 games na lang guys. Last 2 games. Lovely last 2 games. Ano yung mga pwede natin guys, pag-usapan? For example, guys, sandali, di pa ako nakakapagbasa ng comment ha, kasi sinashuffle ko yung board. Ulam? Anong ulam nyo guys? Yes, sige. Anong ulam nyo? Sige, gutumin natin bawat isa. Anong ulam nyo? Anong ulam nyo for the dinner? Ano bang ulam namin kanina? Dali, anong ulam namin? Ba't nakalimutan ko? Hipon. Hipon ulam namin. Does anyone daw umuulan sa Pasay or Makati? Does anyone know? Nagkapit si Lovely. Guys, umuulan daw ba sa Pasay or Makati? Sinigang. Sarap na sinigang. 50 shares hanggang 11 p.m. Hindi kaya. Hindi kaya hanggang 11, Martin. Tuna, sarap. Pag suya ka ng sarap ng tuna. Sweet and sour tilapia. Guys, umuulan daw ba sa Pasay or Makati? Yes, umuulan daw sa Makati tsaka Taguig. Weather forecast. Yan guys, pwede rin natin gamitin to na weather forecast. 50 shares hanggang 10 p.m. Tingnan natin. Tocino, wow. Sarap. Okay, I'm ready with the board guys. Rog, hindi ako sure kaya hindi ko sasabihin yan, Rog. Baka hindi ko magawa Pero parang lapit lang na. Okay guys, for the meantime, I need 7 shares. 8 shares pala. Para tayo mag-proceed na sa next round. I only need 8 shares. Napaka-konti lang guys. We are 97 here. 97 viewers here. So I only need 8 shares so that we can move forward to our next round. And guys, nakikita ko yung mga nag-share, hindi ko na lang na-announce, okay? But I can see you. Jasmine, CC, SDS, kinira na tuna tapos tuna na grilled. Wow. Sarap ng tuna na grilled. Okay guys, 3 more and we're good to go. 3 more shares. 50 shares daw. Okay na, sige. Dagdagan nyo na. 3 more shares and for this round, we need to go. Kung gusto nyo dagdagan guys, that would be really nice. Okay? No classes bukas mga student. Malay mo, meron mga suspended dyan. Okay guys, naka 7 shares na tayo, so I'm ready. Mag-ready na kayo guys ha. Mag-ready na kayo. Okay, let's go. Timer starts now. This is the second to the last round. Okay. Race, Damski, race. Ang bilis ni Damski. R-A-I-S-E, pwede. Choices. CHOIS, pwede yung choices, CHOI, pwede ba yung choices guys? Let me know. CHOIC siya dapat, diba? O guys, balikan ko yung choices nalito ako. Chosen. CHOSEN meron. Bamski, Sis, SEAS. Parang dumudoble. Guys, hindi pwedeng gamitin ang letter na nagamit na. Once lang, yun lang pwedeng gamitin. Chris, CREASE, CREASE, merong Chris. Choir, CHOIR, meron. May choir. Yes, tama si Marvy. Bawal pabalik-balik, guys. Riches, RICHES. You cannot use a letter na nagamit yun na. So if there are two of the same letter in one word, you need to have two of that letters. Okay? Nose, NOSE. NOSE. Meron. NOSE. Very good. Easier ba yun? Easier. Pwede ba? Easier? Parang hindi siya pwede. Guys, pwede ba yung easier? Let me know. Race meron, MC may race. CC, reason. RISEN. RISEN. Very good. Mints may reason. OC Jaula, echoes. ECHOES. Meron. Cherilyn, noise. NOISE. Meron. Sa kabilang side po yung easier. Near, sabi ni SBM, near letter C. Dito, dito, dito siya, easier. Ayun pala, easier. Thank you, Sino nagbigay doon? Nakalimutan ko yung name niya. Merong easier, guys. Thank you sa mga nagturo, okay? Oasis. Yan, minsan, kailangan ko rin tulong. Pearly, reason. REASON, meron. Chari may choir. Overthinker Bell season, SEA. Guys, yung season, I'm not sure with the... pwede pala yung season, guys. Pwede yung season. Okay, what else? Guys, kung di pa kayo naka-follow sa account ko, follow lang kayo sa account ko para lagi yung makasama sa game natin. Race, RAISE. RAISE. What else? Season meron. Cherilyn, reason. REASON. Merong reason. CC, course. COARSE. May course. Martin, in searches. What do you mean by in searches? Martin, can you give the meaning of that word? Pero parang hindi siya pwede, Martin, no? Kasi IN walang S na malapit. Tama ba? Pasas. Zelda, pasas, gawin natin for the sake of... pero Tagalog yung pasas eh. Mark, choicer. Ano yung sabihin choicer? COISER? Hindi lang ako masyadong sure sa meaning ng word na choicer, okay? Yung choice, di ba CHOICE? What else? Reaches, RICHES. May reaches. Chosen. CHOSEN meron. SUP is a 3-letter word, Griselda. Dapat 4-letter words and up. Pairs. PAIRS meron pairs. Pinkie Pie may reaches tsaka chosen. CC Pine. PINE. Guys, may na-miss out akong word, I'm sure. So, by comment lang ulit. Searches. SEAR. Dali, paano siya? SEA o SEA. Berlang Sari, SARI. Pwede ba searches? Parang hindi siya pwede. SEA or SEA or SER. Hindi siya pwede, no? Noisier. Nosier pala, nosier. NOSIER. Pwede naman. Hindi daw pwede searches. Search not possible. So, hindi na pwede searchers, okay? Nelly, thank you sa pag-follow. Overthinker Bell, Horser. HOARSER. Pwede Overthinker Bell ng Horser. Marvin may Corsair. Very good. Channel may chosen. Did I miss a word? I hope I didn't miss a lot of the words kasi ewan ko ano nangyari. Arise, A-R-I-S-E, A-R-I-S-E may arise. Airs, A-I-R, A-I-R-S lang guys. A-I-R-S, pwedeng airs, okay? Reason, pwede riches. Reason meron. Racer, gawin natin racer, A-R-A-I-S-E-R. Berang may sari. Peace, P-E-A-S-E. Guys, follow lang kayo kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow sa account ko, okay? P-E-A-S-E. Hindi naman kayo magsisisi kasi you will have a nice and fun game every time. Guys, ano yun? Acosane. Ano yung sabihin ng Acosane, Mr. Maverick? Acosane. Ayan, may mga naiipit na words kaya dapat i-comment talaga ulit-ulit, guys. Merong Acosane, Mr. Maverick. Pinaas. Ano ang longest word natin, guys, for this round? Is it Acosane na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Or do we have other words na mahaba rin? What else? Wait lang, guys. I'm checking. Checking natin. Pinion, Kim Jin. Balik natin Pinion. P-I-N-I-O-N. May Pinion naman. SDS, Payan, A Song of Praise or Triumph. Payan ba yung tawag dyan? Payan? Payan. Okay. Okay, what's our longest word, guys? Guys, marami akong miss na words this round na to. Medyo naipit yung mga ibang words. I don't have a control over that. So, minsan nangyayari talaga, di maiwasan. Ano yung longest word natin, guys? Is it Acosane? Acosane ang meaning, guys, is any of the isomeric hydrocarbons of the methane series daw ang meaning yan. Okay, sa mga hindi ko nahabol na word, guys, meron pa naman tayo isang game, okay? Yes, lovely, may reason. Guys, ganito. Sapien, Jasmine, habol natin. Sapien. Pwede sapien. May doon din race. Choir smell. Ano kung may choirs eh. Choir lang pala. Tatalon yung R sa S. Okay? Okay guys, ganito kasi para matulungan nyo ako na mabasa ko lahat ng words, ma-check ko sa board. Comment nyo pa ulit-ulit. Tapos kapag narinig nyo na yung word, doon nyo stop i-comment. Kasi guys, kapag comment nyo, napupunta sa baba yung comment nyo. So parang bago siya lagi. So kung na-miss out ko siya kanina, mas mababasa ko siya. Matutulungan nyo ako na mabasa ko yung mga words na kino-comment nyo. If you will comment them again. And again, until I am able to read them all. Okay? Thank you. Yes, Kim Ji, may opinion. Wait lang guys. Mas meron din ako niyan, enjoy laro yun. Yes, Nelly, just keep on playing this game, guys. Maganda tong game na to. It helps you also with your brain cells. Kasi if you learn a new word and you've searched for the words na nandyan, nare-recall ng brain nyo so na-stimulate siya in the right way, in the right way. Kasi yung stimulation ng smartphones, diba, scroll ka lang ng scroll. Ito guys, at least na smartphone ka, may ginagawa kang nakakatulong sa brain cells mo. Alright? Ano yung longest word natin? Horser, ano ba? Guys, ilang letter ba yung Acosane? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yung cursor. Wait lang. Meron pa palang cursor. 1, 2, 3, 7 letter lang pala sila. So, Acosane nga ating longest word. Okay, guys. I will just shuffle the board for our... What do you call this? For our last game, okay? Pinaasa longest word. Sino yung pinaasa ko? Ano ba? King pinaasa nasa board. Ano ba? May na-miss out ko ba, Martin? Na-miss out ko yata. Sorry. Pero guys, i-ready ko yung next round. Our last game, guys. Ready ko lang. Acosane 8 letter. Yes, 8 letter yun. Yun ating longest word. Kasi binawi ko siya. Fun fact. Which came out first? Bugle or Word Factory? I'm not sure. Pero sabi nila Bugle daw. But ako, when I was playing this before, nung in the 90s, I didn't know about Bagel. Bagel ba o Bagel? Ang alam ko lang is Word Factory. So nung nag-start ako mag-live, dun ko lang narinig yung Bagel. Bogel o Bagel? Patcat, are you here? I hope you're okay. Bukas follow-up check-up niya. Okay, Patcat. Let's pray for Patcat's help for our classmate. Balitaan mo kami, Patcat, tomorrow. Okay? Guys, water break lang ako ng 5 seconds. Wait lang. Patcat, last game na natin to. Buti nakahabol ka. Okay, wait lang ha. Wait lang. Boring ng Bagel 4x4 lang. Ako, di ko alam yung Bagel talaga eh. Dito ko lang siya narinig. Bagel in 1972, World Factory 1978. So may 6 years silang difference. So siguro lumabas yung Bagel tapos after 6 years, naglabas sila ng mas marami. 5x5. Okay guys, I'm ready for the last round. Latest teacher sa pinaasa si Rog. Oo nga, di ko nabasa mabuti yan. Boring din ang 6x6. So 5x5 talaga yung maganda. Ako kasi ito yung alam kong Word Factory 5x5 talaga. Yes, perfect. Kaya hindi ako nag-ano ng iba. Ayan, okay. Guys, guys, sandali ha, bago tayo mag-end ng live, ay mag-last round, wait lang. Kidney stone with stent po. Ayan, yun guys, may kidney stone siya. Masakit yan pag minsan, no? O madalas. Yes, Scrabble, masaya din. Nilalaro din namin yan. Get well soon. Ayan, guys. Ayan, daming well-wishers. Guys, pwede ba nating, bago tayo maglasan, can we give Patcat, parang well-wishes para siya? We can send her, good health wishes. Diba pag maraming nagwi-wish for somebody, nakakatulong sa kanya yun. Hindi hawak ang letter lahat sa Scrabble. Sa inyo lahat. Yan guys, let's give Patcat guys, good health wishes. Yan. Get well soon, Patcat. Sana maging okay na yung results. Okay? May Scrabble played here. Yes, Scrabble. I play Scrabble, guys. Masaya din yun. Masaya din. Pwede ba nating i-live yung Scrabble? O hindi? Mahirap. Sa Scrabble, hindi yung hawak letter lahat. And first Scrabble. Kaya ba nating i-play yung Scrabble dito? Parang hindi, no? Parang hindi. Mahirap siyang i-play sa live na. Need guys, matagal din. Matagal. Siyempre may tiles. Nga, may tiles. Okay guys, I just need 5 shares so that we could go ahead to our last game. I know bitin, pero last game na siya guys. 5 shares lang. Offline game po. Yung classic words po, offline game. Okay, we'll explore that. Oh. 7 tiles lang siya. Oo nga, no? Mahirap. That's our avatar. That's our avatar. Hindi siya. Okay guys, I just need 5 shares and we're good to go. Sorry sa mga comment di ko nababasa. Minsan, cranberry maganda rin. Pinky pa. Cranberry daw guys, maganda rin. Silly cranberry. Okay guys, 3 shares na lang and we're good to go. Rog, nag-share ka na ba ng live? Kung parang di pa kayo nagpa-follow sa akin guys, follow na kayo para makasama kayo sa ating community, sa ating group guys. Actually, we already have formed a small group here so you can join us. Welcome po kayong lahat. Okay, 2 more shares guys. 2 more na lang, di ba? 2 more shares and we're good to go guys. 2 more na lang. Venus, thank you sa pag-share challenge. Overtake Rebel. Tsaka sa iba pa guys na nag-share. 1 more na lang. 1 more. May you be blessed with good health. Ang ganda ng message, Rog. And and happiness always. Yes. Already done, sir. Thank you, Rog. Si Pinkie Pie po yung kasama sa name niya. Ay, oo nga pala. Okay guys, yan. Naka 5 shares na tayo. We're good to go na, okay? Are you ready? Okay, for our last round, para medyo umano lang tayo guys. Pero medyo lang, may momentum lang tayo. Can you comment ready for our next round? Okay? Gawin ko 100 shares, 10 mo 30 minutes. Para, ewan ko, di ako sure. Comment ready guys. After yung last game, tingnan natin. Comment ready. Yan, para magkaroon lang tayo ng boost ng energy. Okay guys, follow lang kayo sa aking account kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow. And maka-join kayo as one of our classmates. Okay guys, eto na. Asa yung timer ko? Parang nawawala. Wait lang. Let's go! Patkat, let's go! Timer starts now. Bitin talaga, no? What's the first word? First word. First word, guys. Extend. Fern. Pinkie Pie Fern. F-E-R-N. F-E-R-N. Kasama sa pangalan ni yung Sili. Oo nga. Bean. M-B-E-A-N. Meron. Just Ann Slits. S-L-I-T. S-L-S-L-I-T-S. May slits. Okay? Bean meron. First. F-I-R-S-T. May first. List. L-I-S-T. L-I-S-T. Very good. What else? Boils. Boils. B-O-I-L-S. Meron. Lits. L-I-T-S. L-I-T-S. Meron din. Overdrinkable refills. R-E-F-I-L-L-S. Merong refills. What else? Rick. Boilers. B-O-I-L-E-R-S. Merong boilers. Allion. First. Lagyan ng S. Okay, lagyan natin S. F-I-R-S-T-S. Meron. What else? Feelers. F-I-L-L-E-F-I-L-L. Pwede ba yung feelers? E-R-S. Pwede siya. Okay. Kelvin Enrolls. E-N-R-O-L-L-S. Pwede. Ryan Tilt. T-I-L-T. Pwede siya. Elia Steer. S-T-I-R. Pwede. Kelvin Loners. L-O-A-N-E-R-S. Meron. MC Lin. L-E-A-N. Meron. Frills Ma. Frills. F-R-I-L-L-S. Meron. Leader Reboils. R-E-B-O-I-L-S. Meron. Berlang Steers. S-T. Dali. S-T-I-R. Hindi sa pwedeng Steers na may S kasi tatalon siya yata. No? Let's go back to that. Kung pwede siya. Kelvin may refills. Jasmine Bore. B-O-R-E. Yung refills gawin natin. R-E-F-I-L-L-S. Meron. Still. S-T-I-L-L. Rolls. R-O-L-L-S. Pwede may rolls or rolls. Boilers meron. B-O-I-L-E-R-S. Pwede. Bolt. B-O-L-T. Meron. Piler. P-I-L-E-R. Meron. Stupor. S-Dias 1000. Sabihin stupor. Pero may ganyang word, no? Hindi ko lang alam ang meaning ng stupor. Steeler. Rick. Steeler. S-T-I-L-L. S-T-I. Yun lang. Di siya pwede, guys. Yung Steeler. Sorry. Bolts. B-O. Meron bolts, di ba? Bolts, meron. Pinkie Pie. Tulips. T-U. Wait lang, ha. T-U. Paano? T-U. Pwede ba yung tulips? Guys, balikan ng tulips. Medyo naduling ako doon. F-R-E-E. Merong free. Merong feelers. Stupor. Ito yung meaning ng stupor, guys. Wait lang, ha. A state of near unconsciousness or insensibility according to S-Dias 1000. Okay, thank you. Rolls may enrolls, leader may feelers. Okay, guys, parang so lower right ka po mag-start. Para sa ang word kasi yan, O-O-O. Born, B-O-R-N. Anong word yan kasi O-O-O? Nakalimutan ko. CC pills, dalawa kasi na kanina yan. P-I-L-L-S, meron pills. Leader may feelers, ha? Belts. B-E-L-T-S. May belts. Elia Tires. T-I-R-E. Tire lang ang pwede. T-I-R-E. No? Hindi siya pwede lagyan ng S, tatalon yata siya. Let me know kung pwede. Pilot, P-I-L-O-T, P-I-L, hindi rin pwede yung pilot guys kasi walang T na malapit sa O. Tama ba? First, F-I-R-S-T, F-I-R-S-T-S. Pwede yung first saka first. O si Jaula may refills, Rochelle Steer meron, Elia Slit, meron slit. Patcat may boilers, dito siya, B-O-I-L-E-R-S. Ryan, board tsaka bin, B-O-R-E meron, tas bin, B-E-E-N meron. Parang meron. Rick, merong Steeler, yung S-T-I-L-L, dali. S-T-I, parang nagawa ko kanina yan eh. S-T-I, o S-T-I. Guys, di pala pwede L-L, hindi pwede, no? Hindi pwede Steeler pala kasi tatalo yung L sa E doon, no? Hindi siya pwede. Do we have another word? Belts meron. Pinkie Pie, Rebolts, R-E-B-O-L-T-S meron naman. So times up tayo guys. Ano yung pwede? Overthinker Bell. Gawin natin guys, habol natin. May Born tsaka Bolts, Merrill. MC meron. Portelay. Guys, habol natin yung mga words nyo. Reboils. Pwede yung reboils. Ito. R-E-B-O-I-L-S. Boilers meron, Rog. Mr. Maverick, Firebolts. Ano yung sabihin ng Firebolts? One word ba yan? Mr. Maverick, let me know ha. Kim Jin may enrolls. Marvin may Steeler. Yung Steeler, paano kasi? S-T-I. Ito pala S-T-I-L-L-E-R. May Steeler, guys. Sa baba. Yes, may pang Steeler. Okay. MC Tilt, T-I-L-T. Okay, what is... Mr. Maverick, ano yung Firebolts? Pwede, one word talaga siya. One word yung Firebolts according to Patcat. Thank you sa pag-confirm Patcat. Yes, may enrolls, Kim Jim, Pinkie Pie may rebolts, valid Firebolts, noun po siya. Thank you, Patcat. Ayan, Mr. Maverick, kinonfirm niya Patcat, Firebolts is a noun. Lovely Slobe, I'm not sure with the meaning of that word, pero nasa board naman. Okay, time's up tayo, guys. Firebolt is thunder daw. Okay, thank you. So, guys, B-O-L-T, 8-letter word. Pwede lagyan ng S? Pwede. So, 9-letter word, guys, ang Firebolts. Siya yung longest word natin. Yes, CC may refills. Okay, wait lang. Okay, so, I think, guys, kahit gusto ko siya extend, di ko na siya kaya extend. Guys, ang tawag doon? That's our last round. Bitin lagi guys, no? Bitin lagi. Ayun. So, yan shirt. Ano kasi guys, medyo puyat ako. Kaya parang naduduling na ako sa letter. Hindi ko na siya kaya tuloy. Kasi naduduling na ako sa mga letters. Kasi puyat ako ng 2 days na. Okay? Pero guys, okay. Everyday naman may live tayo. So, I'll see you again tomorrow. So, mas maganda yung bitin guys kaysa sa nananawa. Thank you, Venus, sa pag-share. Talaga sino ni Venus. Ayan. Wala, guys. Bayaning puyat. Oo, dalawang araw na akong puyat eh. May kasi, meron lang inaasikaso. Ayun na puyat. Salamat din sa lahat, guys, ha. Bukas medyo mas mahaba tayo. Sige. Kailangan ko lang magbawi ng tulog tonight. Okay, sorry sa hindi ko napagbigyan ha. Pero guys, bukas babawi ako. Mas mahaba ng konti. Okay? Thank you everyone. God bless and good night. Okay, bukas ulit. Dapat sila ma-stress sa'yo. Alright guys, thank you very much. I really had a good time today. Masaya yung live natin ngayon guys. Thank you very much. So guys, good night and God bless. Thank you.